In Qlik Cloud, you can insert scripts into the load script using the data load editor and the script feature. This allows you to reuse scripting content across multiple scripts. In this example, we are going to create a new script. Open the script editor and let's create a new section. We'll name it Sales Data. Under Add Data, select Include Script. Then choose the desired script and click Next. A preview of the script will appear. Click Insert to add the script. Inserting the script adds the system variable must include, which define either the script ID for inserted scripts or the path to a QBS file. In the load script, you can preview the inserted script. From here, you can also open the inserted script in a new tab and make edits as needed. This feature simplifies the creation and management of reusable scripting content, such as subroutine variables, color palettes, and calendar definitions. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.